Hi guys, welcome to Kampers Korner. My name's Eddie. Today we have a special guest all the way from Australia.
Waltzing Matilda, you'll come a waltzing Matilda with me.
Hey, what? Hey you. Who, me? Wanna learn how to make apple crisp? Yeah, I wanna make apple crisp.
Hey, so I heard you want to make apple crisp, huh? Alright, well you've come to the right place. We're here in my kitchen. I'm Krash. Now, we've got some ingredients. So you're going to want one large to medium apple per person. Now, because these are very, very small apples, we're using 2 per person. So obviously, we're making it for 2 people, because there's 4 small apples. Cool. I've got 1 cup of oats, 3 tablespoons of butter. I know how much butter we have. I didn't refer to
Lynx.
the camera. I have a quarter of a cup of brown sugar. Just a sprinkle of cinnamon. Depends how cinnamony you want it. Do you like it cinnamony? Add a lot of cinnamon. If you don't, not much. Excellent.
Excellent.
And the optional extra, which some people did put in their apple crisp, some chocolate chips. Ooh, yum. Now we need to wash our hands. Wow, amazing. Let's get that nice. And now, we've got our apples. We're going to give them a quick wash. Amazing. And now, we have to chop up the apples. Now, chopping up the apples at home, make sure you have an adult around, because knives are obviously very dangerous. Ah, nice. Alright. So that's all our apples cut up. And then, obviously, with our apple cores, put them in the compost. They're already pretty good over there in Canada. You guys all have that, which is good. And then we put it in the pan. Wow. And then you're going to want to cook it on pretty much medium heat. Try and break up all your apples. Try and get them all spread out a bit. Basically, you're just going to want to just keep stirring them until they're getting kind of soft, and then after they're getting kind of soft is when you'll add your sugar. I also added a quarter of a cup of water in the pan as well, just to help.
So it'll help them soften.
And then with your apples, add probably 3/4 of your butter, because you want to save a little bit for when you add your oats, so your oats aren't super dry. And then you want to give it a big old stir, mix the butter around with the apples, make sure all the apples are getting all nice and buttery. Wait until they soften up and brown.
5 minutes later.
Now, the apples are nice and soft. They're soft. So what we're going to do now, add the sugar. Put in the brown sugar and the cinnamon. So, you know, depends how cinnamon you like it. I like cinnamon, so I'm going to put a bit in. You can see, a bit of cinnamon, not too much. Give that a good stir while the pan's still cooking. Try and caramelize the brown sugar to the apples.
2 very boring minutes later.
So now that we've added the
Branches.
brown sugar and cinnamon, it's caramelized. Now we're going to add the oats and the rest of the butter. Give that a good old stir. Now I've given it a good stir. The oats are done. Now I'm going to turn off the gas, and I'm going to add the chocolate. Just a little bit on top.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Looking pretty good. And now we can serve it up. And that's it. Some apple crisp with the optional extra of chocolate chips in it. Good stuff. Alright, that's Kampers Korner down here from Australia. I'd like to thank Lynx, my assistant, for helping me out, cut the apples up and stuff. And yeah, back to you, Eddie.
Thanks, Krash. That was great to see. That apple crisp looked really good there. So if you have a video that you would like to send to us, if you're a former staff, please email us at campers.korner@campkiwanis.ca. Thanks for joining us, guys. Thank you all essential workers. Have a good day. Stay safe. Bye.